Hi, today we're going to be walking around our Texas Pride 30,000-pound Gooseneck power tilt trailer. Now this model is available from 25 feet all the way up to 40 feet in length. The tilt portion of the deck is up to 30 feet long, with any remaining deck being stationary. The width of the deck is going to be 102 inches outside to outside. Now starting here in the front, we have a 4-hole adjustable Gooseneck Coupler that allows you to evenly adjust the hitch height of your trailer to your vehicle to ensure that your trailer rides level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam neck and uprights with reinforced gussets. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Now built in between the front uprights, you'll find the heavy gauge diamond plate locking toolbox for storing your chains, straps, and other items. On the outside of the uprights, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all our Gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. Now on the back of the neck, there's what's known as a headache rack, which protects from load shifting forward, and features handles for use with the side steps located on both sides of the trailer. This makes for easier and safer access to the deck. Moving back, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam main frame and an 8-inch I-beam bed frame. The cross members are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers. Many other trailers this size use lighter angle iron for cross members and place them on wider spacing. The decking is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the cross members. There's also an option for diamond-plated steel deck. The outer deck frame is 6-inch channel with stake pockets and heavy gauge rub rail for securing your load from any part of the trailer. Underneath the deck, there's a scissor hoist to tilt the bed for easy loading. There's also a second mounted lockable toolbox that houses the high-capacity marine-grade battery, which powers the electric over-hydraulic pump and is controlled by a 15-foot corded remote. Now, one main feature of our pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses the battery instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your deck can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. Now here on the side of the toolbox, we have an onboard battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the flap and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to have a full charge by the next morning. Note that we use an 8-amp charger rather than the 3.5-amp chargers often used on many other trailers. This means a much faster charge time. For running gear, this trailer has heavy-duty 15,000-pound axles and suspension, which includes 5-inch wide brakes on all 4 wheels for maximum stopping power under load. This trailer rolls on 8 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires, mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel, which is on top of the Gooseneck. It's out of the way, yet easily accessible. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the tapered tail section of the tilt deck. The last 4 feet of the deck usually sees a lot of hard use when loading and unloading equipment. So we put heavy gauge diamond plate flooring on the back for longer deck life and better traction. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than impressive. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. Once again, thanks for having a look at our Texas Pride 30,000-pound Gooseneck power tilt trailer.